Welcome to Divine API. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of testing the Coffee Cup Reading API using Postman. If you're a developer looking to integrate Coffee Cup Reading insights into your application, or simply exploring the capabilities of this API, this step-by-step walkthrough will help you get started with ease. Let's begin. Before testing the API, you'll need an API key for authentication. Go to divineapi.com and log into your account. If you don't have one yet, you can sign up for a 7-day free trial. Once you're logged in, navigate to the API key section in the dashboard. Here you'll find both your API key and access token. Keep these handy because you'll need them for authentication in Postman. Now, let's set up Postman. If you haven't logged in yet, do that first. Then, visit divineapi.com and scroll down to find the Postman Collection link. Click on Run in Postman, and you'll see an option to choose between Postman for Web or Postman for Windows. For this tutorial, we'll go with Postman for Web. Once you've made your selection, choose your preferred workspace and then click Import to add the Divine API collection to your Postman environment. If the import is successful, the Divine API Postman Collection will appear on your screen. Now that Postman is ready, open the Horoscope and Tarot V2 API collection and select Coffee Cup Reading. Make sure the HTTP method is set to POST so that we can send a request. Click on the Authorization tab, and from the dropdown, select Bearer Token as the authentication type. Now go back to your Divine API dashboard, navigate to the API key section, and copy your access token. Return to Postman and paste the access token into the token field. Now let's enter the required details in the Body tab in Postman. Copy your API key from the Divine API dashboard and paste it into the API key field. Specify the language for the response using the LAN field. Here default is English. Once all details are filled in, click Send, and the API response will display a detailed coffee cup reading, offering mystical insights based on the patterns and symbols found in a virtual coffee cup reading. If you run into any errors, double-check that your API key and access token are correctly entered. Most issues come from missing or incorrect authentication details. For a detailed step-by-step guide, you can find the article linked in the video description. If you need any help, feel free to reach out to our team at admin@divineapi.com. That's it for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more Divine API tutorials. Thanks for watching.